Got to keep that crap sand mess out of your eyeballs. If it gets in your eyeballs, you shut the whole job down, the wrong kind of stuff. This mess is kind of hot. I don't like wearing it, but it keeps the mess out of your eyeballs. Again. Add about 30 inches of sand in it. Nice clean. That's going to put right on down to the ditch. Same thing. The same way we just did the first one. And then we're going to come back and we're going to run a jetter. Make sure the lines are open going to the main line, but we don't want to do it right now because we have to keep unhooking the hose back and forth. That ain't what we want to do. I need to tighten that up a little.